desert is completely flooded out. The road is pretty nasty. Lightning storm all around me right now. You can barely see the road, hydroplaning a little bit. The desert is just a complete washout. But it's absolutely beautiful. I've never seen this before in my entire life. Okay, here we go to the top of the hill. Sorry about my windshield wipers, but I can't see without them. Okay. Here we come to the end of the storm. At the end of the storm. I wish I taped the whole thing, but what can you do? Okay. And there's Big Beautiful Barstow off in the distance. Let's zoom in and see. Big Beautiful Barstow. And that's what we just drove through. All that.